Goes a good way that way. Looks a look left. It's a good dried lake bed.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, maybe let's go to the right just a little bit. It looked like it might have a chance
Roger.
of being a little thicker.
To the right.
It's like you could just see tire tracks.
And it's crazy how dry it looks and it's at the bottom of the ocean.
Right? Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. So this way?
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's not sediment. That's like baked
Yeah,
crust.
but you can peel it
Oh,
off.
look up to the left there. It's like bricks. The way.
Yeah.
Oh, weird, yeah.
Okay.
Cobblestone.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. Let's go up and look at that. That
Yeah,
is
Roger.
a really unique
And I think
structure.
there's a bunch of crinoids on the floor.
Yes.
Interesting.
I don't think a fish pour is going to be successful, but I am
Whoa.
interested
Wow,
in
look
this
at that.
What is
I
that?
feel like I'm looking
Atlantis?
at like
Yeah, it's go to Atlantis.
Yeah.
yeah.
The yellow brick road?
This is the yellow brick road.
Wow.
Can we get some still cam shots of this, please?
Yeah,
What is
get lots of them.
I feel like we're like out Mount Vesuvius, like excavating. Right? Yeah.
This is bizarre. Yeah.
So cool. Are you kidding me? This is crazy.
It's like bricks. This is weird.
Just trying to make it a little expedient.
It's so weird.
Maybe it got crushed up or
Yeah.
something.
Alright, that's my limit.
Okay.
It's a really unique feature. That was really
Alright, we can resume our regular heading.
So this might be a little far there, Ashton, so we'll see how it goes.
Okay. Let's see what I can reach. This one?
Yes.
See if I can maybe like tap it first.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Okay.
pretty far.
Oh, reaching.
You can see in Atalanta, you got about a meter to go.
Ah. Oh, I can touch.
The far one, maybe? Oh, it's
Yeah,
loose too.
the far one
Great.
is loose.
Oh, nice.
Okay, you won't be able to grab it though, so get out of there and I'll move it a little bit forward.
Okay.
Just the very end of the fingertips. I'm trying to grab the cookie jar on the top shelf. Not quite tall enough.
Any angle for me.
Yep, totally.
So,
Starboard
Starboard,
side, yeah.
delta.
okay.
Yeah.
So,
That rock is a really different.
Vesicles, it's vesicular, if it is basalt, vesicular basalt, where the gas escapes.
there, is it?
Bubbles to form.
Similar to pumice.
Does it feel light to you?